Hi everyone, this is a video about this John Lewis fan, which I thought is really interesting because of the shape, because of the combination of the blades of the fan and the way it works. And it's John Lewis. It takes a rechargeable battery and you can charge it with USB connector, and then it has 3 speed settings and is foldable, and you can put a handle on it, and it says it's a 4-inch handheld fan rechargeable. And on the other side it just says this is a rechargeable fan, has 3 speed and a foldable handle designed for the home, office or on the go. Includes USB cable, charging cable. And these are the parameters of this and the warning and everything that you need to know. And on the other side it says nothing. On the top the same information that I just showed you on this side, and that's it. Let's take it out of the box and see what we are getting and what actually it looks like. This is the variant of the color blue, red, but it comes also in blue and yellow and other colors. And in this one we have just a USB cable, and is of course micro USB cable, and is good cable. As you know, with John Lewis everything has to be branded, and this cable is supposed to be good for charging. Just put this aside as well, and this is the item itself. There is a battery in there, and from here you can fold it, and it has a clicking motion, and you can put it there. 2-position folding, and I guess it might be a little bit, not very steady, but we are going to test it. And it has a battery and a battery protector here, and the battery is a good battery. Let's check it out. It's one of these 18650 batteries, flat top, and the capacity is 3.7 volt, 9.62 watt hour. Okay, it doesn't say anything about milliamp hour. That's it. So it's a good quality battery, and it's heavy as well, as you know, with fake 18650 batteries. Most of them, they are really light because it's one of those Chinese that they're fake about. They are talking about the high milliamp hours and so on, but it is normally fake. And this one, the bottom is here, is very quiet at 1, and it has a light, if you can hear it. It's just a very quiet fan, but the only thing that we can hear is the air that is flowing through this fan. And this is setting 1 is the lowest, and then setting 2 a little bit louder, and setting 3 that is relatively strong. I can feel the air coming to my body, and that was interesting, that when it was on, wait, you see, it's gone off. Why? Okay. I thought maybe there is a cable there that is loose, or... Alright. That's it. And at the back it says John Lewis DC 5 volt 0.5 amp 3 watts made in China. That's it. And when you're charging it, let me just put this on the table and let's attempt charging this with this cable. See, I think the light is going to change. And it says do not use the fan at the same time that you are charging it. Oh, it has a user manual here. I forgot to show it to you. Safety instructions, and then how to use. Oh, it says the battery is supposed to be 2600 milliamp hour. Okay, that's fair enough. And that's it. Now let's turn it off and attempt to charge this. Let's see how it goes. The light goes red, and after a while, I think when it's charged, it's going blue or green. I don't think it's going to go to green. I think it's going to go back to blue. But we are not going to wait until this one is getting charged. I just take it off, and the blade, I think, is really good, but is not that efficient to just blow the air on you. It's just this design for just keeping it quiet. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, and the price of this item, I keep forgetting to mention the price. The price of this item on eBay, you can buy this for 10 up to 12 quid. Some people, they are selling this 20 up to 35 pounds. Anyhow, I guess for 10 pounds is a fantastic item. Have a great day and take care of yourself and each other. And as always, enjoy whatever you do while watching my videos. Thank you again.